So here's what we know so far about controllers. ASP.NET is an umbrella that Microsoft puts all of the web-focused tools and applications under. And MVC is an application that lives under that ASP.NET umbrella. MVC stands for Model View Controller. And I've opened the MVC Music Store from last week. And I have opened up the home controller. And we'll talk a little bit more about what we know controllers can do so far. So controllers are responsible for responding to user input. So anytime you key in a URL or you select a menu command, the control goes to the controller. So the controller then figures out if you need data and which view you need to see. And it basically sends you to the appropriate view with the data that is required. So it is the controller that handles the flow of data in your application, handles any data coming in, and it provides the data to the views, which then in turn display that data back to you. Controllers are made of C# code, and they are basically comprised of different methods. Controllers are inherited from system.web.mbc controller. Every public method in a controller is an action method. And all of the ones that we have been looking at so far have an action result return type, but there are other return types that we will be learning about. Okay, but they are all considered to be action methods, and anything that is public, you can access from the address bar or by entering a URL. We've looked at the controller folder, we've looked at the view folder, and we've looked at the model folder so far. One of the main benefits of MVC is that not all of our code can be viewed in the browser. And that is because it's technically a server-side app. So the C# code is never displayed. The models are never displayed. So all of the C# files that are controllers and models, the user never sees. What the user actually sees are the C# HTML files, which to them will look basically like web pages. So they are never able to see the business logic behind the application. So all that business logic remains private. And now that we've kind of taken a look at this, and we worked with these last week, I'm going to close this one, and we are going to create a new app. And I will show you how to do the new app and how to add some empty controllers in the next video.